Just picking up my truck. Watched, you know, Jack just put it back together here. Just to explain to you guys real briefly what happened. Truck's got 5,000 miles on it. If it had more, maybe I wouldn't have worried so much about it. But there was a pole that met this bumper here about 2 weeks ago, and left a nice little dent right there. My truck has a lot of torque, and I was coming up to a parking spot and just hit that gas just a little bit just to get closer and get it in there, and sure as heck I kissed that pole. So I called around to a lot of places. Jack said he'd take on the project. He told me no the first time, but I nudged him a little bit harder to do it. Heard from other people around town that he's exceptional, that he does great work. And from what I see here, and I've been standing here for the last hour watching him work and putting his stuff, putting everything back together and putting his stuff away, I can't recommend Sioux Falls Dent Repair enough. So I just want to say thank you, Jack. It turned out great. Thank you for taking on the project. You saved me. If I had to replace parts, I mean, you saved me an easy $3,000-4,000 bucks. So thanks again, and you guys don't. If Jack can help you out, don't hesitate.